Do you have your own set of priorities in your life? I'm sure we all define them, some formally, some informally. But life is not driven without them. Hi, my name is Nisha, and today let's talk about priorities. Priorities. These are a set of actions which are regarded as more important than other actions for us. How many of you have clearly defined your priorities in a formative way? If you're silently saying no in your mind, or you're still thinking if it is yes or no, then probably you have not clear ideas of what your priorities are. Your life is constantly presenting you with an infinite number of possibilities every day, every moment. Yet, no matter how rich or talented or well connected you are, you can only do so much in 24 hours. So everything of value comes at a price. Do you agree? If yes, it did not have a price. If not, it would have no value, and the price is called the sacrifice. Like, in order to have anything, you must sacrifice other things. Same way, in order to play the violin, you must sacrifice the time it takes to learn and practice the instrument. Or to take another example, that today's afternoon, if you want to take an off and play golf, you must sacrifice the sale or business transactions you would have made otherwise. So everything I make a choice. In reality, I am expressing my priorities. If you don't like where your life is going, then have a good look at your priorities. Not the priorities you claim to have, but the priorities that are revealed by your actions or your choices. When we prioritize these things without compromising to them, we always end up achieving our goals. Remember, the goal is a target and we want to meet in the future. And priorities are those things you need to establish and focus to meet that target. Once you have a list of priorities, you will stand a better chance of implementing changes and decisions that are aligned with your life mission. Have you ever realized that every choice is a decision to sacrifice all the other priorities? We must decide which possibility is the most important to us at any given point of time. So what are your priorities? You have to make a choice together. You have to make a choice today. Louis Halls, a retired American football coach, once said, "You are either growing or dying. You can only become the person of your dreams by shunning your mediocrity and complacency." So if by now also you are not sure of what your top priorities are, you might need to sit down and list everything important to you. Let's do it together. For instance, if you are burnt out and it's taking a toll on your health, then you will need to prioritize your health. There is no way you can focus and be productive if you are not healthy. The next step is to establish a game plan. For instance, you can highlight what you can do to avoid the burnout. It could be mindfulness, talking to a psychologist, or taking a break from the work. Then block out your time to implement your game plan that you prepared. And finally, take a self-assessment. Self-assessment test to know if you are on the track. So if you need help with evaluating your progress, you can talk to your accountability partner, your spouse, your colleague, or your mentor. With these quick, doable steps, I will drop this thought in your mind with these words of Brandon Sanderson, who's a successful American fiction writer and the brain behind Cosmos Universe. He once said, "The mark of a great man is the one who knows when to set aside the important things to accomplish the vital things." Now, here I request you to evaluate yourself and type your highest priority item in the comment section. Why not start your journey of prioritizing here on? We can take this discussion further if you really wish to. Let me know if you are. And if you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe and help me reach out a wider audience. Also, do share your feedback about what you like and dislike about my videos. Have a great day.